If you are getting NBA 2K error code 727e66ac when trying to enter My Career or My Team, this is usually a connection or server synchronization problem. These are the most common fixes shared by 2K players and community discussion. First, try the game mode swap trick. If the error appears while loading My Career, back out to the main menu, open My Team or Play Now, let it connect and stay there for about 10 to 20 seconds, then go back to the main menu. Now try loading My Career again. Next, change your DNS settings. Go to your console's network settings, open your internet connection, go to advanced settings, tap DNS settings, set it to manual. For Google DNS, use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Save the settings and restart your console. If that didn't work, clear your system cache. On Xbox, completely shut down the console, unplug the power cable for about 60 seconds, plug it back in and start your console. On PS5, turn the console off completely. Hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Connect your controller with a USB cable, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database, then choose Clear System Software Cache. Finally, check your NAT type. Enable UPnP in your router settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting your console directly with an Ethernet cable.